Okay, y'all, I don't know why every time I try to make a video I always forget something. As soon as I'm ready to set up and turn this camera on, I forget something. I had to run back downstairs to get my pics. How am I supposed to do a video and I want to do an afro, I guess my signature afro today, without a pic? Go figure. Anyway, today I'm going to be taking out my freshly moisturized hair. I did this last night. I'm out of breath, forgive me. So I'm just going to freshly take these out and see what we're working with today. I don't really know if I'm going to do a fro, but I'm thinking about doing actually a fro bang like I did before. Something really quick and simple. That's about it. I am not much for the winter time, as you can tell. So I don't really like to do my hair in the winter time. I am very lazy in the winter. I don't like to do my hair, so doing videos, as you can tell, I'm not going to force anything, but it's only going to be on the days where I feel like doing my hair, because normally I just slap on a wig and be done. And I'm trying to think of what else. Oh, this one thing I want to do. I have a craving to color my hair. Now, I am not going to color with chemicals because I have had damage where I remember the back of my head my hair broke off in the back, like right in this area. So I do not want to put no chemicals back in my hair. So I'm trying to think of a natural way. I know people use henna. I've never tried henna, but I also heard that henna can also break your hair off too if you don't do it correctly. So I'm just trying to decide. If not, I'm just going to actually wear my wigs, because I do have some really cute wigs, and I may do a wig haul to show you the wigs that I do have, because I have about maybe 8 wigs, and I've only really worn 2 that I've had. So that may be an upcoming video for the winter, as a protective style. That's what I normally do, especially when it's just easier for me than to do this every day. You know, this is very time consuming. I'm not saying it's difficult. Natural hair is not difficult to take care of, it's just time consuming. So that may be one thing on the agenda. But pretty much, you know, I'm not one for the cold either. I do not like cold weather. So trying to keep my hair protected is really a key issue for me. Like, I have got to make sure the ends are protected because it dries out. Especially, I can't use coconut oil in the winter time, because even though that neem oil does have coconut oil, but I normally do that at night, so it's kind of moisturized. It's when you put the coconut oil in at night and you have your bonnet on, your head wrap, it holds the heat in. So it actually penetrates your follicles. But when you wear it outside, like if you just slap on some coconut oil and you go outside, that is a no-no. Because it will freeze. You will have like frozen hair. So because it solidifies in the cold. So it's something you just want to do in the summertime. So, okay, this is what we're working with today. Hey. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do a fro. Normally when I do my fros, I usually have it curled on the ends. But I notice my hair is not curling, and I'm thinking maybe, I don't know if it's the length, but I'm thinking about getting some sponge rollers and going back old school with those sponge rollers instead of the perm rods, because for some reason when I do a perm rod set or a flexi rod set, my hair don't curl. I don't know. I'm not a cosmetologist. I'm not a specialist with this stuff, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong, because I have tried it dry, I have tried it wet, and it still doesn't curl my hair. So I'm just going to pick this out and fluff it out. I kind of want it to be kind of like a wild fro, because I'm a wild child. Not really. I used to be. Used to be a wild child. I have toned down my ways, which is a good thing. But yes, I like the crinks. You like the crinks? You like the crinks? Gosh. I don't know if I want to wear it like this though. Separate it. I like to mix. I like to mix, have a straight look and then have it real bushy and kinky. I like it, the contrast. And I just got this Eco Styler gel. Don't judge me, because this is my first time using Eco Styler gel ever. Yeah, I know. I'm not a gel person, so that's why I have never used it before, but I've heard over the years so much about this Eco Styler gel. Now, I don't have my spray bottle, as usual, so I am going to wet it with my fingers and just slap some gel on here. I kind of just want to gel the root, get to the rooty tooty, and then put some. Now I just put that oil, neem oil in my hair, but I guess that this is not oil, so I'm just going to slap some gel on here just to smooth it out a bit. I am very conservative with my products. That's probably another reason why I can't get the style, because I'd be like really skimping on my hair product. I don't be putting a lot in my hair. Oh, let me turn this water off. So, oh, what a day. Brush it down. You know what? I'm gonna have to. I can't leave it like this. It's just not working for me. I am gonna have to pull this up, baby. I'm gonna have to pull it up. And just kind of separate. I'm not gonna do no even part. I just want to have some shape. I like that shape when you see that little curve right up in here. I think that is just so pretty. The shape of your head with that little, I don't know what that part of your head is called, but it is real cute. And I'm just going to put this ponytail hair tie in here and leave this going down, 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 down. Now what I'm going to do, just for a little something, something different. Oh Lord. So I should put it to the side. Swing it to the front. I had it to the front before, or I could split and do two and if I split, I need an even part. I'm not feeling that right now, so I'm gonna just put it to the side. Put it to the side. I'm gonna triple. Normally I don't do triple, but I have to with my brush. Do some swooping, girl. That gel does work. Shoot, it's laying it down. Where have I been? Let me put some more gel. What? Oh, where have I been? Look at that. Y'all, do not. The secret is out. I know y'all probably like, what the hell, where's she been all these years? If you only knew. Maybe one day I'll tell you that story. Okay. So I'm going to just take this and do a little squiggly. My little squigglies. And I have to do the other side. You don't want that other side to be neglected. Gotta treat it fair. Oh yes, baby. This is no joke. This gel, it feels good on my hair. Okay, I'm gonna be doing some slick updos in the future. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I have never used this hair gel. Where have I been? This is the truth for real. And it just feels nice. There is no stickiness, there is no hardness. It is laying it down. And I didn't really actually really work it, because when I do my a really sleek updo, I'm gonna have to put some conditioner, wet it down, and gel it down. This is a quick updo, kind of like a get ready with me today, get ready with me video. And yeah, so this is what I'm gonna work with. I could actually put this in a ponytail. I may just put a ponytail to hold this together and make it look much neater. And I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah, so this is the look. You got the look, girl. You got the I'm feeling this today. So this is like my side puff. That's what I guess I'll call it. I don't know. Side puff. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do so if you enjoyed this video. If not, come back and visit. And if you are a permanent, well, nothing's ever permanent in life, but if you are a subscriber, a friend, part of the tribe, part of the community, I thank you for watching and supporting me, because this is not easy. Not easy, but thank you for supporting me, and I appreciate it. I give you all the hugs and kisses, and